Hi everyone. Today I will cover a few of the top SynBio companies that are using synthetic biology to create cannabigerol, also known as CBG. The CBG race is one of the first instances where several of these new SynBio companies have targeted the same molecule, making it one of the first benchmarks in the industry. Simply put, SynBio is where scientists redesign biology for useful purposes. In this video, I want to focus on biosynthesis, where biology, chemistry, artificial intelligence, and state-of-the-art machinery all combine to fuel the next industrial revolution. First, to get an idea of why biosynthesis is so important, we have to look at the precursor to chemistry, alchemy. Alchemy's hallmark goal was to transform lead into gold through a process called transmutation. Who wouldn't want that ability? You could transform something of little value into something of extreme value. In SynBio, scientists use AI to reprogram the DNA of microorganisms, turning them into microbiofactories capable of transforming an input like sugar into something more valuable like CBG or vanillin. To date, there have been no successful SynBio companies because precision fermentation is extremely difficult. To understand how difficult it is, we will unpack what it takes for a molecule made through SynBio to get to your hands. These are the major sections that a SynBio molecule goes through before it gets into a product that you use. Each section is a potential failure point where profit margins could be destroyed, resulting in a failed project all the way up the chain. These sections are useful in comparing and understanding SynBio companies, and I will elaborate on them later. But for now, you can see how each of these work with different business models. Companies like Ginkgo try to monetize by selling the organism. This cuts most of the value out of the chain to avoid risk. Other SynBio companies try to produce the molecule to be sold at bulk, like an ingredient or chemical supplier. This is the standard model. Amyris is the only SynBio company attempting a vertical business model, where it monetizes at all 4 levels and even adds a 5th level called valorization. Valorization is the process of creating value from fermentation waste streams, like churning sugarcane ash into biosilica to power the new Rose Inc. cosmetic brand. Because SynBio is in its infancy, we can actually make this much more simple. Having a product in consumer hands is validation that all the previous stages have been ironed out. Once a product is out in the market, you can observe the company's financials to verify SynBio revenue and make sure there are no red flags. Let's take a look at these top SynBio companies' race to create CBG profitably. In this first stage, scientists redesign microorganisms like yeast or bacteria to host genetic code from nature that produces a target molecule. This is the easy part. As you can see, with the numerous companies targeting CBG, it is not unique. Some companies like Willow target a single molecule, while others like Amyris and Ginkgo target multiple molecules. Creating target molecules is easy, but creating them cost-effectively and at a profit is what current SynBio companies are trying to solve for. I was going to elaborate further on these sections, but I think with the layout that everything looks very self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let the video play out.